Hey, top of the day, gang. What's poppin', man, with the kings and queens out there, man? This beautiful Saturday morning. Hey, it's one of the mornings where everybody get their ass up and clean up, you know. Kiddos get up, do what they gotta do. Y'all already know how they go. And unfortunately, mine's always be so damn lazy. They never really wanna do what they gotta do. Walking my ass in the basement. Yeah, make sure the room good. As y'all can see, they get the basement bad. Oh yeah, make sure this room cleaned up, gang. This room should be good out here. This usually be the office. The office, man, I gotta straighten up the office though. As y'all can see, got him straight. The office chairs. Getting more conducted, you know. Let me see. Anyway though, man, how everybody doing, man? Nina boy, what up, gang? I've been seeing you, gang. I've been trying to catch the lives, you know, my ass be tired. Or either sleep, one of the two. She got it done.
Hell no. Go that room.
And then I vacuum again. If you don't want to do it, let me know. You gotta cut some more stuff here. It usually go like this. Gotta get some more shit done, man. You see, baby mad that I got baby mad. End of the day, man, yeah, the shorties gotta get up and pick up, clean up. Y'all out there teach them kids how to get their ass up and do something. Put some work in like granny and grandpa used to show a nigga. You know? And get the work done. Don't make your parents mad. Don't make them work too hard. Work just as hard. Work just as hard as your parents. That way you can see a better outcome. Go up these stairs, man. Sunny day in Wisconsin. Y'all know how it is. Oh, yeah. Slum. Babe, you ain't got to do this. You want me to come do it? Or me and Pootie? Once he done?
I'm just trying to get this shit disconnected.
Because it's really broke, so I can just snap it. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to break it.
No, you can take it now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm breaking it in half. You ain't even got to disconnect it. Because that's broke anyway, so I'm finna break that in half, take all of it down.
Yeah, it's broke. Then they came, poured the wood all out the shit, stuffing stuff in there. Mm-hmm. Now, if a rat would have came in here on your nasty ass, you would have been looking stupid. Yes,
you would have. And that's the lesson I'm trying to say, y'all. Y'all better teach them kids, man. They fucking up all types of...
You know what's fucked up about this? And them up. For about 2 more days, this shit finna look back like this again.
Mm-hmm. She ain't lying. These motherfuckers don't get enough. We come up here, we put them on the cleanup mission, bro, and that shit get to looking back just how it is. No bullshit.
She done snuck paper back up here, cutting shit off. I'm surprised she ain't cut her own shit off.
Right. Yeah, that shit gotta stop. That's what we be telling y'all, man. But America, this the lesson we be teaching these kids, man. Just stay down. Just stay down with doing what you supposed to do. Cause once you stop doing what you supposed to do, nigga, you in trouble. You in trouble, gang. At the end of the day, man, I'm gonna hit y'all, man. I'll be back to y'all with another one.